Hi there, Wally here. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Trailing Spaces VScode extension, which will help you to see things that you don't see, believe me. This one will help to keep your code clean, more professional, and with fewer errors for the QA team, or even any sort of QA implementation that they will be checking your code before the merge process. But before we move it on, if you believe this video is bringing some sort of valid information and you are not yet subscribed, please stop, hit the subscribe button now, and also hit the bell and allow the notification. Then I'm pretty sure that you will be the first one to receive a notification when I push a new video. Take a preferred beverage, have a seat, and let's enjoy the video. Here we are. We are using one more time the video repository that we created a few videos ago, like the video demo repository. If we take a look, we have some files, license, readme file, and simple.sh. So let me show you this one. This is the file. We have one guy here called file. We have license, we have the readme, and we have the simple.shell. Okay, simple.shell seems to be nice, great. This is a basic script that we have here. This is the name of the method, and here we have the method or the function, and we are just testing and checking some stuff like if elseof is installed, as well package cleanup. We don't need to understand the bash right now. If you want, definitely you can. You can take a look on the car right now. We have one section here just for bash, which is amazing. And let me know if you need any topic that we don't have here yet. Leave in the comments and I'll be more than glad to be working on that as soon as possible. So let me show this. This seems to be a fair script. Is that? Let's take a look. I open this terminal here. Let me just cat simple. And then this seems fair enough to me. Seems okay. If we in the second terminal pass VET to simple, we can see hidden stuff. And look at that. I can see some space over here. I can see some stuff here. I can see here. I can see, look at that. I can see this is the tab, the tabulation. Will not be a space, but the caret I in uppercase, this is the symbol of tab. So we have two tabs over here. And from here, wow, we have some additional spaces, see? But Balduro, why I'm not seeing this one over here? Yeah, look at that. We have those. We just cannot see, okay? And if we open the third one, let me open with VI. This is a bonus. You can put set list and you can see those characters as well, okay? All right, what is the plugin that we are going to talk today? We can click over here, extensions. You can see that I have no extension at this moment. We have these popular extensions and recommended extensions. Based on like my configuration, this is gonna start recommending some plugins, but let's be precise, let's be focused. So the one that we're looking for is trailing spaces. And we can see this one over here, the first one. So let's click. Again, as any other plugin or extension, feel free to read this page, see all the features that we have, everything. This is pretty cool, pretty interesting. But you can see already the name. The name is telling us something. So let's hit the button, install. Okay, this is already installed. Let's come back to Explorer. We can click here just to get rid of those entries. And let's take a look on this one right now. So if we take a look on the first one, file, I can see one space over here. Maybe this is nothing, but eventually the QA team, they will implement some sort of guideline. They will be following some guidelines. And on those guidelines, for instance, hey, if there is one empty space, this is not valid. You have to come back, you have to fix your code, and then you have to update the code, like pushing a new pull request or a new commit or something like that. So this is definitely something that will be valid. Now let's take a look on our simple. Wow, look at that. We have those space over here. We have those space here, here, here. those we know already. They are tabs, but they will be marked as well in red. So check this out. So this extension is very useful because easily and quickly we can see in the code and see, okay, I don't need this. This is not gonna speed up the process or the code, not at all. This is just consuming space in our file, okay? How can I fix this? Simple, just get rid of the spaces. You can remove all of them. They will not interfere. See, we can see the arrow over there. And from here, we can see the dot. So let me bump this one a little bit and you can see here. Once you select, we can see the arrow. Maybe because of the theme I'm using here, the arrow is almost hidden, but selecting we can see. And this is just a dot. So let's remove this guy. Like empty line, not a big deal, but eventually another application that will be checking the quality of your code, following some guidelines, will complain about this one. Hey, I can see this empty line, but again, this is not the deal of this extension. This extension is just trailing spaces. So let's take a look here. Wally, do I need to keep all those lines? If you wish, you can. You can just remove the empty space. But let's say no, my guideline is telling, hey, just one space, it is enough. Then definitely you can remove that. And now we have like a clean, beauty, professional code just with this small and simple extension that is gonna provide some hints to us about, hey, there is one space over here that we're not seeing. Something like this. Could you get rid of them? Then definitely yes. Wally, is this gonna take some effect on the comment lines? No, as you can see here, we have the spaces, but once there's a comment line, no big deal. The point is only on the lines that are not a comment, okay? One more thing about this extension. You can click on trailing spaces, the extension that you have installed. If you want, you can clean up, and then in the installed area, you can see the extensions that you have. Feel free to click on the gear and extension settings. So for any extension that you install in your VS Code, you have the ability to set some custom stuff. So you can see the trailing space background color is red. We can see the 255 here on the first one, red, green, blue. Basically, this is gonna set red. If you like to change to any other color, definitely you can. The border color, all the configuration will be on this place, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. This is one topic that I like very much once I really enjoy the QA process. Keep in mind that QA team and QA implementation will be following some guidelines. And for sure, blank space into the code will not speed up anything, will they? I'm pretty sure and confident that they will not. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.